If you've ever wandered along a sun-dappled coastline, feeling the warm breeze and hearing the gentle crash of waves, you might think you know all the secrets the ocean has to offer. Or maybe you've dipped your toes into warm, shallow waters, letting the sand squish between your toes. But beneath that sparkling surface, you might have come closer than you realize to one of the ocean's most mesmerizing and misunderstood creatures, the bearded fireworm. I know, the name alone sounds like something out of a fantasy novel, conjuring images of dragons or magical beasts lurking in the deep. But bearded fireworms are very real, and they're as fascinating as they are beautiful. These creatures are a true marvel of the marine world, often overlooked by beachgoers and divers alike. Picture this, a shimmering, rainbow-hued worm, about as long as your hand, wriggling across the sand or creeping through a coral reef. Its body glows with iridescent colors, shifting from green to orange to pink as it moves. They almost look like living jewels, especially when sunlight catches the bristles along their sides. These bristles glisten and shimmer, making the fireworm stand out against the backdrop of the reef. But those bristles, they're more than just pretty decoration. They're actually a clever defense mechanism, evolved over millions of years. Each one is like a tiny glass needle, ready to deliver a nasty sting to anything that gets too close, including humans. The bristles break off easily, embedding themselves in skin and causing a burning sensation. That's why locals and divers always say, "Look, don't touch." It's a rule that saved many from an unpleasant surprise. The sting isn't deadly, but trust me, it's more than enough to ruin your beach day. The pain can last for hours, sometimes even days, and can cause swelling, redness, and irritation. So why do bearded fireworms look so flashy if they're dangerous? Why advertise themselves with such bold colors? It's their way of saying, "back off," to would-be predators. The fireworm's appearance is a warning, not an invitation. The bright colors and waving bristles are a warning, kind of like a neon do not disturb sign. In the animal kingdom, this is called aposematism, using color to warn others of danger. And it works. Most fish and sea creatures steer clear, giving the fireworm plenty of space to hunt for its favorite foods: small crustaceans, coral polyps, and even dead fish. Their diet helps keep the reef in balance. But here's something you might not expect. Bearded fireworms play a vital role in the ocean's ecosystem. They're not just dangerous, they're also incredibly important. By cleaning up decaying matter and recycling nutrients, they help keep reefs healthy and vibrant. Without them, dead plants and animals would pile up, threatening the delicate balance of reef life. They're like the unsung janitors of the sea, working behind the scenes to make sure everything runs smoothly. Their efforts support countless other species, from tiny shrimp to majestic sea turtles.